Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I wanted to do a little packing and review video on the JuJuBe Be Packed. Now I have several of these styles, but this one is in the olive rose print. And I was very lucky to have a good friend of mine grab this while she was overseas, because unfortunately we didn't get any of these in Australia with our retailers. But I was kind of hesitant on this print when I first saw it on the stock pictures and stuff, but when I see it in real life, it is such a nice print. Now there's been several videos out there on this particular one, and a lot of people have said that the material feels like chrome, and it really does. I have several things in chrome, and because of that, it makes the bag feel lighter and more pliable, I feel. And the rose gold on here is actually really nice with the olive color. I have had a couple of other bags of rose gold collection, and I wasn't too on those. This actually I really like. So I've just got a little fob on here. This is one that I made myself with some silicone beads and a Tokidoki vinyl figure, and I just think it matches really cute. And I have this bag packed up today for myself and my daughter, who I normally pack for. I don't really pack for the others anymore, and this is the perfect size. So I've been using this for a few days. I love how the Be Packed feels on my back. It's so comfortable. The only issue I have with this bag that I noticed over the last couple of days especially is that it tends to tip forward really easy. See how it just goes like that? So a lot of the time I have to really kind of like push it down to kind of widen out the base, or I have to put it on a kind of lean it against something. So that's one thing maybe JuJuBe could consider, is widening the base on this bag, especially if they're going to have a pocket that pops out like this, because it could kind of front heavy it. I'm going to give you a quick look of what I like to pack in my Be Packed and what's been coming around with me the last couple of days. So there is I guess a mommy pocket in the front here, and in here I just have my keys, and then there are two mesh pockets here, and on this side I have my small set piece in chrome, so you can kind of get a look at the texture. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera very well, but the texture is practically the same. So I really do like that they did this in chrome, because chrome is one of my favorite all-time materials that JuJuBe uses. So that was in that little mesh pocket here, and then in this mesh pocket here I've got a hand sanitizer and my mints. I'm just going to leave those in there. One little mesh pocket on the side here, and I just put a little thermos funtainer in there. That works really well, in and out. And then there is a little pocket at the top here, and in here I just have my iPhone 10. It's perfect in there. And then here's the back. So you do have the same green memory foam mesh. And I like how these backpack straps taper down, and you have the rose gold adjusters here. And you have a little rose gold D-ring here. I'm not sure what that's for. If anybody knows what that's for, please put that in the comments, because I'm really curious. At first I thought maybe put your keys on there, but then they'd be jingling around. I don't know, maybe a passapod. You could put a passapod on there actually. Might be a good idea, but yeah, I'm not sure what you're supposed to put in there. So okay, so we'll just go into the center of the bag now. So I'll just show you how that is packed. See, I basically have to hold this bag up. That's the only thing. You've got a nice graham handle here. Nice material. The zippers on this are nice and smooth, and they're green. They're a green nylon, which is kind of cool. So this lining is like a champagne, I guess champagne brown, kind of, yeah, I would say it's a tan, but it's nice. I think it goes nicely with the olive green. So the organization in the Be Packed in the center here, you've got a zipper compartment here, which in here I like to keep my mini Y pouch in there. Let's pop that out, as well as two coin purses with my hairbrush and hair ties. These are rose colored glass and Sakura swirls, and they're in the rose gold collection, so those actually look kind of cute with that. So both of those are in there. And then there is a slip pocket at the back here, but I'll do that one last. So in the center here, I've got tucked in the corner here an itsy ritzy snack bag with just some dry fruits, my Lily Jade wallet in brandy, which I really like. This is just a play pack case, and while I was out the other day I forgot to bring stuff, so I just went and grabbed some stickers for like $2 and a writing pad. My daughter's just been having a ball pulling off all the stickers and putting them on the writing pad. I have a Y pouch in Donatella collaboration Tokidoki print, And then I have a National Geographic magazine back there, which I've just kind of been carrying around and reading on occasion when we're out just having coffee, and Clara's there stickering, mainly because I used to study Egyptology years ago before I met my husband. So, and I was actually really interested in this dynasty of Tutankhamun and all the pharaohs around his time. So this article is actually really interesting. So if you're into Egypt and all that jazz, grab this issue. It's a special publication, so if you can find this, give it a read. It's actually really interesting. In the corner here I have a go stack, just the bottom of the go stack with some cashews, and then I have a JuJuBe small set piece with my lipstick, lip gloss stuff in there. And then in the back slip pocket here, see, this is where the tech pocket is, so my phone's in there, so you can kind of see how that, I just popped that back there. But in back here I've got my Logan and Lenora wristlet clutch that I've actually been using the last few days for my nappy stuff. So I've got like my little packet of disposable baggies in there, and then my nappies. I used one though, and a companion backpack nappy pad. So that's all empty. So I really do like this bag. It does fit everything I need for a very kind of, I guess, regular day out. My days are never that long, so works well for me. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.